I think we're live. Welcome back to the another stream. This is stream number 48. This is stream number 48. Welcome back to the stream.
Just wanna rewind. I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely. Even when you come through, I can tell that
Just
it
focus
isn't
on me.
you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you hardly know me.
Anurag Sharma. Hi bro, WhatsApp.
Hello, welcome back. Welcome. Hello, what's up? I'm good. What about you? So, in this video today also we are going to solve few questions on hackathon. So let's go. Let me share the videos, the links. What video? Okay. So hacker rank lol. Song is not over. Stop it, man. Okay, I'm so close to achieve another star. How many star rank? How many star is that in hacker rank or something like that? Okay, let's start the stream then. Let's go to here. Let's mute this. Let's unmute this. And all set. Let's go. Okay. What about leaf year? I completed that. That's an easy problem, you can say. What is a leaf year? I think it's on what is that division? Loops. Loops or not? I think it's on function. Yep, this is one. As you can say, I completed. He just already give the hints. It should be divisible by 4 and also 400, and it will be not divisible by 100. So as you can see, yesterday I completed this Bala problem. Where is that? Solve this nested list. It sucks, man. Today we are going to find the percentage. Find the percentage. Find the percentage. Okay. What is giving me? The provided code somewhere in a dictionary. Okay. It will be in a dictionary by the name student mark. Okay. And the name of the mark, the student name. Provided showing two place for the primary. Okay. For example, making a alpha and beta. Okay. This will be two students named alpha and beta. Okay, it's good. The name. Okay. Put in an input. but divided by 4. Okay. Input format. The first line contains the n. The number of students for the list of n with the conversion. Okay. Hello, welcome to the stream, San. Not a kid though. I want what? Sensitive auto. Ouch. Why it's showing me like only 2 viewers? No, how? Okay, Apple. So, five point five is Malika 52, 56 and 60. Okay, the average will be 5.6. Yes. Okay, so basically in here it's saying me he's taking a by the name n, and then he's taking a for loop for range, for dash in range. Okay, he's taking in a range. By the way, he's taking. He's doing a loop for 2 times for alpha and beta. He's mentioned it here, alpha and beta. Then it will be store the all things inside a dictionary by this. Okay, let's print it first of all. Let's print this. Let's print it. What will be print? Okay. Arjun, why all the names of those? Names. Krishna, Arjun, Malika. So to print the Malika's average score, in here he is giving us the sample output. Okay, so I think first of all I have to store the numbers inside a list. I think then I will print it. I think or not. Okay, how can I store it? Let's use a for loop for name in what? Name in it will be student dot tag. Then here let's take if statement. If why is taking so many, like you really value just name this qn. Let's name this qn. Qn is much easier than or something. Qn is equal to L and this. Then let's take a list. Let's create a list by the name I think, and then NAMES names. Okay, I will confuse maybe. Let's this is only n is equal to a empty list, and then what should we do? Empty list and dot Append. Append what? Okay, we're taking the wrong values. And t is equal to names, I think. My god. Okay. Dictionary. Dictionary, I think two. So do we? Box. One, I think. It should be print one. And let's try this as a hope for the best. It should print A. Okay, wow. What did I do wrong? Dictionary, how works, by the way? Let me check the notes first. Dictionary. Dictionary. A dictionary is changeable on the right consonant for the right key value. Print first basic. Okay, we can use the get function now. Why I'm using this? I mean, you can. There is a thing by the name get. I think I can use that. If math is equal to this, I can use the get function. Get that name. So why I'm using the if statements? Okay, wrong. It's wrong. Okay. In here we have to do nothing. Just start this thing. We don't have to create a list for that because in dictionary a method called get where you can get anything what you want. I mean, okay, let's view. Okay, in the list, control V. It's not working now. Get. Uh, Hope for the best. It should work. Okay, wow, null value. Why we are printing now null values? Okay, let's start this thing also. For loop, I don't have to now create a for loop, and we don't have to take this n also. Just this one. Okay, how? Let's cut this also. Hmm. I'm literally going to frustrate it. Frustrate, I mean. Just that word. Yeah, now it's good. Now we're taking it directly as that. I mean, why is our qn now? Okay, let's fix that qn. Q1 is equal to. Let's take this Malika. Okay, print null value. Arey, why I'm getting null value now? Why I'm getting null value? Because I'm storing in a container something. Let's directly print then. Then also null value. Why I'm getting null value? Some large word like this. Just qn. I'm adding. I mean, inside parentheses. Okay, now we get it. Let's go here. Okay, I am here right now. Control Z. Okay, let's don't add this parenthesis. Just qn. I mean, okay, it's sorted. I mean, now what should I do? If name is equal to this is okay. We get it on a number function. Num, I think. Let's use a for loop to print separately those numbers. I mean, to print separately those numbers. Let's try this on VS Code first because VS Code is much easier than. Okay, let's use it for name in num. Print separate. I mean, why do I print separate? Can we directly print this? Okay, let's try this. Num s in sum of num divided by the length of num. Okay, what did I do in here, by the way? I'm doing sum of a this list, I mean this whatever the value will be storing in a list, and I'm dividing by the length of that list, I mean the num. The basically the length, I mean the length do basically it will be the count like one by one. Like in here it is three things, 1 2 3, so it will like count like that. Should I do plus one? I don't know. It's okay. I get it. It's just as simple as that, man. Just have to copy. Okay. Complete another problem. I mean, I was thinking I will create a for loop, then I will get the like all those numbers, then I will add it, then I will divide it by the length of that number. Oh my god. I was just going long way, man. Longer. Ah, what? 0 0. The same value 0 0 in here also. We'll get the 0 0 and add plus 0, I think. Plus 0. Okay, wow. How I can get a 0 now? We want 2 zeros in end. Can add like, and this is 0. But why we want another 0? That will be the same value. Okay, wow. Hello, General Tony. Welcome to the stream. Okay, right. How I can get another 0? I think let's convert this as a float, I think. Hey, yeah. Yes, hello. Let's convert this as a float value, then we can do, I think. But that is in float value though. Can you help me with 12 CS? 12 CS. First of all, I'm a beginner. I'm really worried about my CS. You know, explain what is the full form of CS. Are you talking about computer science? 12 CS. You're in 12 standard though. Why you want CS in that? Okay, I converted it in the float value. Then also the same. I want the extra 0 in the end. I mean, you don't want to show this. I don't want to know the basics. Given the full form of CS, if you're talking about computer science, are you talking about computer science? Because this is my second number month going, I mean, this is my second number month. Okay, how can I get another 0 in the end? Look, my answer is right. I'm not wrong, you can say, but I want the extra 0, but it is the same value. I want extra 0, but why should I want extra 0? The store is then on X variable, and I will recommend you a video by from CS50. I mean, search CS50 computer science course. There's a 25-hour long video. I watched it. I mean, I fully completed it within a week. So yeah, man, that's a crazy video. You will get everything. I mean, your basics will be definitely clear, and also you will get like which field you have to go. I mean, you will find it there, because they cover like every single thing. They cover backend, front end, and also the AI field also. So yeah, I mean, you will get a exposure on that. Level 0. Hope for the best. Exit the over. Okay, wow. No response for. Hmm. 0. Thank you, Alice, for the smiles. I welcome, man. Plus thing also not working. By the way, I created a video about it. You can see that from India, Odisha. Yeah, I mean, you can see that video. I mean, that's my by the title is my 7-day break or something like that. I mean, on that video, I described about that CS50 course. So yeah, man, if you can. No, I'm not getting the answers, but my answer is correct. He's asking me 2 zeros. I don't want to add 2 zeros on at the end. I mean, why 1 zero is enough of that? Control that, 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 control that. Okay, also. Yeah, okay, no. Want the extra zero on the end. Why? Print x plus in 0. In 0. Syntax error. Egg, what? Adding to what? Yes, okay. Start this, let's comma. 2 zeros, but I don't want this. Okay, let's do comma E and D and is equal to just parenthesis. Okay. Just parenthesis, other parenthesis, and comma. Okay, that parenthesis not inside this. We can add a 0. Hope for the best. That should work. Okay, here we go. By the way, we use a glitch inside this, but let's work. Okay, I'm storing this on a variable. Oh, I didn't get 95. I'm from arts background, then also I didn't get 95. So I can't tell you that. I don't have any idea. Okay, here we go. We cleared the task. Let's submit it. Hope for the best. It shouldn't go well. Okay. Show me one error. What is that? Yeah, I'm adding 0. Expression output. Wrong answer. Submit it. We completed this thing. I mean, let's go into the next question now. Lists. Okay. List 90% or passing rate is just 90%. Bro, you're talking about get 90. Yesterday I was solving a problem which is, I think, which has 91% passing rate, and that took me 2.5 hours to do. I mean, that took me 2.5 hours to solve the problem. No, I'm not. I'm Odia. I mean, Odia. Okay, what is the question? Lists. I did a question about the let's list. Okay, side of list. Okay, consider a list that's a empty list. Okay, you can reform the following concept. Insert I. What is I now? I insert. So you at position I print the list. What? Remove E. Delete the first acknowledgement integer E. Insert integer A at point position of I and print what the hell? No. Remove E. Delete the first acknowledgement element E. What the? Additional the last of the correlation. Nope, I don't have any experience. Not yes. I'm learning Python now, so I don't have .js. Okay, so it's an append. Okay, it's giving me example. Example, let's pick one, append 1, append 2, and insert 3 and 1. Print. Okay. What is trying to do? I mean, I'm not able to understand. You know? Let's print n first. Let's capital N. Why is that capital N? Your output 12. Okay, insert 05, insert 110, insert 06, insert 6, remove 6, append 9, append 1, store, print, pop, what I have to do in here, I mean, I'm not able to understand. Insert your list and the value and followed by n. List of the okay, can we do like this? I mean, he's asking me to insert it and print, then remove, then append or something like that. Store, print, pop. Okay, I forgot what is the use of pop. Okay, wow. On my notes also, there's nothing about pop. Okay, then reverse it. Another reverse function, reverse method. Okay. Different one. Okay. 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, he's asking me to create a loop for n times. Let's create it for loop for space in n. Just like this for n. Now we have to add the first thing. I mean, let's add if. What will be the output for me? I don't know what to do now. Let's create a list by the name my list and let's store it first of all. My space my dot space that will be equal to a empty list and let's store this in Okay, append. What should we append now? Lol. This loop will continue for n times. N is 12. So this loop will continue for 12 times. Okay, let's take a pause and let's think what things we have to do in here. I mean, I think I'm not able to understand the question. Question. What is asking the question? The question simply asking me, consider a list. List is equal to bracket. Okay, you can perform the following command. Insert I e. That will be insert print the value. Okay, then remove it. Okay, but how we can check this? I mean, it will be stored like, okay. Append n. Don't take a space. Let's take a string s and let's print this. Hello, welcome back to the stream. Daily practice. How are you? Your output is no response understood. Yes, I know that. Because I'm not passing anything, I feel. Daily practice, can you explain me this question? Yeah, I'm not able to understand this. I mean, he's just asking me simply just do the following function. Insert 05, insert 1, like this. But I don't know how to do it. I don't know. Not good, not good, not good. Don't know. I also don't know how I am in these days. I mean, okay, let's do those things on here. I mean, okay, let's take a for loop. It will be like storing all those things. Okay, let's go. We just simply do. Okay, let me tell. I will zoom it. You will read it. But yeah, function is equal to input dot just input it. Okay. Okay, so here is a question, as you can see. Zoom out, yeah. Now little bit, okay, zoom out. Okay, actually I can't zoom in like this. Okay, he's just asking me, I mean, just take a list and do the following commands. I mean, he's just asking me to insert 05, insert 110, insert 06, then print it, then remove 6, then append 9, then append 1, then store, then print, then pop, then reverse, then print. But should I like store on a list? I mean, I already did a question related to dictionary. I completed. Then I'm stuck in here. What should I do? I'm just thinking like that. Sprint. Okay. That's good. Then here it go. Mm, ST. Store this as ST. IN. Okay. IT. Just IT. It. Should I take this? Is it? Integer. Mm, Code. Then. Okay. It will be stored as 5 times. And then let's to print s. Why I'm going outside of this loop? No response, yeah. How can I store those things in a list? Then I will find find this thing, fill this, or something like that. How? Line number 4. For S in N omega, or S in the range N. Let's take it. Don't have to take a range because there are no value. How? I'm taking a capital S. I think it's a small s. Yes. Video read. I have to print like this. Yes, I can print like this, but first of all, I want to store this on a list. I mean, but I don't know how to store this. Let's see the while now. Yeah, why is that for this? Yeah, try again. No, try again. Okay, give me a sec to store that. Oh, okay. Okay, this is a dictionary, I think. List comprehensive. Okay. Runner up. Yeah, it's runner up. Also, it's it is also just happening. Yes. Why is that question go? Loop. Nested, completed. Nested is all. Okay, give me a sec, please. Give me a sec. Yes, I'm also taking the same thing. I'm storing as a value also. Okay, let's see. List. By the way, the middle thing you have to fill up with your own, I think. In Discord group, or you are asking like in our Insta group? Discord group or Insta group? Which group? Okay, I'm printing L. Oh, yes, I have to print that. Discord group or Insta group? Which group? Yep. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Just don't see my sorry, lol. That's this. Our group. Control P and enter. There we go. My list dot append st comma it comma this st comma it I think it st comma it. Let's do this. Okay, I'm not printing anything, and now let's print it. If then also doesn't work, then what can I do? I mean, yeah. Print. Why I'm using capital font? Yes. First of all, I have to store all those things into a list. Okay, no response. Why? Why there's no response? Let's copy this. Let's go to VS Code. Let's delete this. And let's comment out. Control V. Yes, taking a list. We're taking an empty list. Then if number and okay. Oh, okay. I'm just talking with this list, not with this. Okay. So for S in okay. Is equal to and in here should all bracket and also is equal to. It's like look like a smiling emoji. Okay. Let's take this 2 times. We will take only 2. Okay. It's saying some error. Int. It's integer. Which number? Line. Line 235. Okay. For an int object is not used. Where was int object is not iterable or something like that. In the line 35, the type error int is not recognizing this n. I think let's take with a small n. I'm taking n. Enter. Delete it. Enter. Let's enter 2 times. Enter. Okay, now also the same error. I think int n. How it's showing me int error? I mean, it makes no sense. I'm taking n is equal to integer as the input value. Whatever the value will be, the loop will be like going that time. I mean, if the n will be 5 times, 5, then the loops will be continue for 5 times. It's as simple as that. What is the error? There's only 2 and the same thing in syntax error in the line. And I think n is already defined. I think so. Let's take num then. The VA, let's take VA for value. Go for the best. It should work now. Lol, bhai. What is wrong? For S in lol. Take it in a range. Now, because it has no integer number, but I will give na integer value. So how then what? giving a range and let's take 2. Look, I'm giving as integer. Now you declare string character in the int. No, why did I declare that? I mean, where did I declare that? Okay, now it's good. Now it's good. Now it's working. I didn't use the range function or something like that. I think that's why it was showing me those things. I think. Yeah, I have to use the range function. Basics, the basics. This is the basic thing. I forgot to. I think it's not about the int or something like that. On there you can use the list and the dictionary, the tuple values, all those things. You can't use a direct value, I think. Okay, let's do for first of all it will be print some okay. Then it will print some number 4,5 I think. Enter. Int let's take 2 times this value. Okay. Type list append takes argument of 2. You are giving only one argument. Okay. 2 giving one argument. How it's one argument? After a few seconds my brain will be explode now. Okay, let's go to the basics of our what is that called, list, I think. Then we will understand. List in Python basics. I think that will be basic. There is bro code. Here we go, bro code.
Today I will be explaining a few different types of collections in Python. There's 4 general purpose collections. 3 of them are lists, sets, and tuples. There are also dictionaries, but I'll save that for the next topic because they can be kind of tricky. A collection, I would think of them as a single variable I can print collection by surrounding my values with either a set of square brackets for a list, curly braces.
Can you ask ChatGPT how to store like those values in a list? In a list, I'm storing it very often. What about now? Stick to enter act XYZ, whatever the value, enter. Okay, here we go. Enter whatever the value, enter. Okay, here we go. We are storing as this, but I'm creating a nested list, not a actual list. Nested list, basically a list inside a list. It's called nested list. I don't want to create a nested list. I want to create a list, single list. Okay, I create now. How I can create it? How? Hey, I can do like this. I mean, right now I created a list. Okay, nested list. Then I will take out the all. I mean, integers and the strings. I mean, I will different out and divide the strings different on a different list and numbers on a different list. Should I do this? Should I do like this? But this will be like longer. Yeah, it will be took like half an hour to like find out. Hmm. Okay, let's create a for loop for I. Don't take I in range. Don't take range, यार. A list, my space li space. If how I can store the all integers? How I can store all integer inside a that thing I did yesterday? I think I instead use plus instead use to store all these numbers forever. Oh. Not a mistake, just directly append icon. I think let's take a list then. Num list and new num is equal to a empty list. We're taking all those. Okay, alias num dot append I box. The second values are our integers, I think. So let's take 1 because in Python we start with 0. For the best it should work. You don't see. Okay, here we go. Let's print it. Okay, what the? Oh, I didn't take range function. Okay, didn't take range. REN, I think. What the fuck? Oh my god! Forget the spelling of range. Wow. Range, yes. I typed the same thing. What? Yes, RANCE. I'm typing the same thing. Can anyone come and slap me? What? Want to slap her?
She flourish. Range.
Yes, I typed it, but then also it didn't work. Then I add like brackets and then yeah. Why? I mean, this already take the value of n. VAL. Let's take VAL of them. Please print it, please. Okay, wow. No response. How? Bhai, I'm taking append dot append LST IT. Yes. What is wrong?
Agent Clue. Hi.
Hi. Welcome to the stream. And you also see. Okay, let's copy this back. Not even append. Okay, here we go. Why we add those ones? Let's cut. Usually I well arrange dash 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 Oh, for the best finger crossed. Okay, wow. Lol. One more time, lol. What is wrong? Why 4? I'm taking a 4S in a range. This. Yeah, this. Oh, this code is working on VS Code, but not in the hacker rank. Not in hacker rank. भाई it's not responding me anything. What is wrong? I mean, I'm taking a list. Yes, the value will be this. The range will be like the loop will be going like that time, and I'm storing all those integers. I mean, insert, print, remove, append, all those things. I'm doing it right. So what is wrong? Okay, I have to screw this, but I'm direct taking those things. I think then it will be work because on yesterday's stream also something is not printing that time, but my code was right. There was a glitch on hacker rank, I think, or my Chrome browser.
Daily practice. Bro, sorry, I got little confused. I thought the whole points are the one question and I realized now they are different questions. So can you tell me which one you are doing?
Huh? Which one I'm doing? I'm doing the list, I think. Go to the Python and select the scroll, and there is a question by the name list. I think this is 12 number question. This is 12 number question. First of all, I'm storing all those things, insert, for, all those things, remove all those things inside a list. Then I will divide those lists on a different list and all numbers on a different
number. Expecting you to name the list my_list.
Is it expecting you to name the list my list? I tried learning Python on Word or something.
Flourish. I tried learning Python on Code Academy, and sometimes I had issues like that.
That's the thing now, it's not printing, but in the VS Code it's just correct. It's working on VS Code, but it's not working on fucking hacker rank. Now it's just not printing anything. Look, no response. Basically, the question is I have to insert on creating a list, empty list, then insert 05, then insert 110, then insert 06, then print it, then remove 6, then remove 9, and then append 1 and sort it, and then print. Then what is pop? I don't know. I forget what is pop. Then reverse it. It will work and print it. Just like this. That's getting a lot.
Daily practice.
Insert.
No, I meant first point says insert integer C at position I. That's the one task, and second is task
doing the first task. Look, what I'm thinking in here. Basically, I will like using the statements like if, else, and that statements. Okay, if like first of all, I will create a list only for like integers. Okay, like integers by the name insert, 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 like this. If there is, if like if in the list insert is mentioning, then I will create another list, and inside the list I will print all those things like 05, 110, 06. Then I will print it. Then I will create another like else, not as like if else. If else, if you can see the remove or append all those things, then you will print like, then I will create another list, and then I will print all those things inside a list. So it's confusing. Yeah. Oh, so it's like this. Yo, what? Wow, what to know?
AI with AK. You what's up? Daily
Yo,
practice. Yeah, but you have to create a list first, right?
yeah, I created a list. As you can see, my list. I created a list. Then I will like doing append all those things. Like inside the list, I will. I mean, I am appending this insert and those numbers also, those integers also. But then also it's not working. I mean, then it's just not printing the list. I mean, see also
Daily practice.
R I N T.
At AI with AK. Hey. What's up, man?
Like, what's up? Look, the same thing. I'm printing it, but it's not printing me the values that I wanted. I mean, no response. It's showing like no response, but it should print all those things. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
AI with AK. At daily practice. Hello. I'm good. How are you?
Hello. Hey, here is the question.
AI with AK. At Morse code question, please.
Here is the question. I already did a question. This is my second question of the day, and I'm struggling.
Daily practice. C make a list equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Look like this. Okay, if a user will come, look, you don't know those values are in here. Okay, you're creating this as a like a fresher. I mean, you're not. I mean, you don't know those values are in here. Just forget about the simple output or input. Okay, just focus on the code. I'm just focusing on that. I mean, if I can print 1, 2, 3, 4, it's just much easier. I mean, he's just giving me the answer directly. I will just like print creating a list like 6, 5, 10. It will be like work like that now. Oh, wait, oh. I think I didn't get the question first of all. Let's ask ChatGPT for the question. Explanation, of course. I will not ask the answer actually. Only the explanation. Holy. Explanation. Where is X?
AI with AK. Should I try to solve it and send code on Insta? She flourish.
Yes, I already.
Needs to be named list.
Huh?
She flourish.
Your list name.
Tells you to create a list called list.
Huh? No, I mean, in the set you do like that. I mean, I think in set you have to first of all set like list is equal to that. Okay, let's do that also. Why bother?
She
Yeah,
flourish.
like
I think. Smiley face. Daily practice. And then task says insert integer c at position I, that means you replace.
Yes, I know, but okay, Li was
Daily practice.
okay, it doesn't work
C
like
equals
that.
10.
C equal 10. Huh? Why did he give this and C equal 10? The temporary C is already line number 6. I can't store as still unless S add S lists lists and now same thing. It is not able to print. Okay, it is giving me direct answer, but I don't want answer for the response. Okay, here you go.
Daily practice.
Say that.
Sorry, I am having a little typing
Let's
problem.
break down the problem step by step. Problem
No,
statement.
it's okay.
You have an initially empty list and you need
Daily
to perform
practice.
a series of commands to modify
No,
this
my
list.
text was
The commands are
incomplete.
1. Insert IE. Insert integer E at position I. 2.
Okay.
Print. Print the current state of the list. 3. Remove E. Remove the first occurrence of integer E from the list.
Okay.
Append E.
Append
Integer
E.
E to the end of the list. 5. Sort. Sort the
Daily
list in ascending
practice.
order. 6.
Just ignore C equals 10. I was creating an example.
Okay, okay. The question is same. Input the number and then describe the following and number type about the output. You needed to the print minus received. Okay. Here you can see append insert those same like around same, not the only. Okay. Append 1 list became 1. Append 2 list became 2. Yes, I know those things. I know those things. List for a list for n list n is equal to the for loop. Yes, I'm creating a for loop. Okay, I was trying to do like this. I mean, if this, but no. I think I should watch a video. What you was thinking?
Daily practice. At AI with AKM fine bro.
Yes. Hackering Python and solution in Python. Okay, here's a video of that solution video. What should I do? That's a refresh. Okay, how are they doing actually? If name is the list is taking empty list, then n number, the range n, yes, I did it. Then command input, taking input of dot strip dot strip. Split, I mean, what is the meaning of split? Process of command 0 is equal to insert. Look, I was trying to do this. I mean, if there was will like insert something like that, then it will be like insert this. If there is print, then it will be print like this. Array. Okay, it's explaining the line command input string of the is possible empty or hard. Append 1, append 2.
input script split is used to process each line of command input in the code. Here's a breakdown of what each method does. 1. Input. This function reads a line of input from the user. For example, if the input is append 1, this function returns the string append 1. 2. Strip. This method removes any leading or trailing whitespace characters, spaces, tabs, or
Daily
line
practice.
characters from the string.
Example C equals 10 I equals 2 and the insert value of C in I.
Clean it up to append 1. 3. Split.
Rasha.
Okay, get it, the insert
Hello
thing.
bro.
Hello, welcome to the stream, Rasa. Okay, so in here, what do you just do like this? Okay, he's taking insert and he's taking like a direct thing. I mean, he's not taking another thing by the name integer or something. He's printing it directly. Split and become the 0. What is how it coming?
Rasha. I got Cope CS. AML.
I got
C.
Copes. Huh? I got Co. There's ML sit. In what? In college or something. ML sit machine learning or range and put like this, and let's store it on x. I mean, let's store this on x. X is equal to dot whatever dot sorting now. I think short strip strip.
Daily practice. Yeah, it is an engineering field and congrats bro.
Congratulations. Strip. Congrats, brother. What the hell is strip and split? Just copying this code, yeah. You can write it, right? Just copy this code. I'm not going to waste my time on this. Go away.
Daily practice.
Yeah.
At Rasha, what is you category? She flourish. I searched this on Google, no response on Stout, and I found a forums where they had the same issue as you. Search for no response
Okay.
on Stout, I keep getting stuck on Google, and open the Code Academy.
Okay, wait. What did you say? I search on Google, no response, not
Rasha.
and
That
I
daily
found
practice open badly.
right. Okay. Found it there. They see recently. Search on no response on sound type. Okay. Alice, bliss, bliss, bliss.
Daily practice.
Yes.
Daily practice that is great bro and you still got it.
Yes. Proud of you, man. Not in a bad way, eh? If you're thinking like this, not in a bad way. Good way, proud.
Daily practice. At Shot asterisk.
Okay. And I guess this is equal to this. Ouch. My heads are pain. My ears are paining. Pain or paining. Okay. So let's take them if, but I don't know what that's an if. If in where? Lol. If in x, I think. If x is equal to insert, I think. Control C. Okay, double equal to, and I forgot to add so print or actually directly
Daily
then
practice.
list and then print.
Morse code, there are 7 tasks, do it one by one.
Yeah, there is 7 tasks. There's 2, 1, 2, 3. No, there's 12 tasks, man. There's 12. As you can see, there will be like 12 times. Lol. Should I create a list inside a list? You send it the answer. List is equal to that, comma is equal to comma and num, int is equal to that 0. What in the F world was that, bro? Just copy that code, I think. No, don't. Okay, no, go. I think I should create another Insta for this purposes.
Raw shop. Thanks, Black Heart, Black Heart.
Thanks, Black Heart. That's a red heart. Sounds like Black Heart. Control V. Yeah.
Daily practice.
Sometimes.
First task says to create a list, which you did pretty much, and then insert integer c at position I. That means create a value in c in I, then insert value of c in I.
Yes. So first of all, I have to insert it now. If you insert in dot insert. Okay, wow. So many things happening in this code. Take a list, command. Bro, did you actually copy the that ChatGPT code and then you just modified like for you? Is that right? By the way, I didn't understand anything. You're taking a list in command, you're taking a variable, then text dot. Nope. It's not. Next box 1. Then XY. Okay. IJ equal to IN2 X
AI with AK.
box 1.
Text on line 245 is the input that you are giving.
Yes, I know that. What about this thing? Text. What is now text, bhai?
AI with AK. Nah, I coded it myself.
Okay. Command. Commands is a variable, then we are taking command dot this and then remove this thing. Okay, remove space. We remove the space thing. Okay. And command num is equal to integer. Command 0 will be the, I think, insert or something like that. Okay, command num 0. The command space is equal to commands 1. Commands 1 is list.app and I commands it. Man, print lis. Print. Why is this a empty list? APPEND to append spelling APPEND. So what is wrong? Man, I don't know. Zero. Then what difference it will make? Sort of.
Daily practice. At AI with AK even I don't understand what you have done. You did pretty good but doesn't seems like what is asked. Please explain a little. Sorry.
Same, I also didn't understand the code. That's why I just back to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is little bit
Vicky.
understandable.
Hi.
Vicky, welcome to the stream. You came yesterday also. Yesterday's stream also was there. Okay, insert. Okay, lol. Why I append them? Why did I append it?
AI with AK. It should be list.insert, not list.append.
And I screwed one more time. I think. Insert. But then also it should print though. No, it's printing like a empty list. Why? And did I spelling wrong? I spelled right, okay. Spelled like LIS.
Daily practice. Yet I got that part and that what I am telling since past 10 minutes lol.
Yes, I got that part and I'm telling like since I'm stupid, man. I'm way stupid than a normal person. If I check my IQ test, then I might be get negative marking. It should be. Okay, why the heck should I append insert I and Z?
Daily practice. At Morse code you are right now, that is what insert meant. Daily practice. At Morse code you are doing great, man.
Nope, I'm not. And oh, now let's print the list by what? Empty list.
At daily practice, firstly, the input is in text format and has a command on each line, so you split it on the basis of \n.
Okay. But why it's not printing those things? Oh, now it's in for loop. Wow. shift plus tab. Now it's outside of for loop. So can anyone explain me why it's not printing that?
AI with AK. At daily practice second the commands and its values are split with witty spaces, so for each command you split it using split.
Okay. Why there is this kind of like mark?
Hi there, welcome back to my HackerRank series. So on the left, I've got the HackerRank data palette, and this one is about lists. We've got the task to the left of the screen, and this is where we will do the coding. Let's read the task really carefully. Consider a list, which is an empty list in the beginning. You can perform the following commands. So we're going to be sending commands to the machine. One, the type of command. Insert at position I, integer E. I will tell you what that means. One occurrence of an integer from the list. For example, if the list has got 15559, I can say delete the first 5 that you come across. So I can remove that. I can append a new number. I can say now append
AI
number
with
25
AK.
to the list because I want it.
At daily practice after splitting it, you just have to check to first value which contains the command, and use a simple if-else ladder to execute the commands.
There. I can sort the list if I want it. I can pop the last element. If you don't know what pop does, it essentially looks at a list, doesn't care how big the list is, just gets rid of the last one, and you can store it in a new variable. I'll show you what that means. And you can actually also reverse the list, so you can order it in the reverse order. Let's go on. Initialize your list and read in the value of n followed by n lines of commands, where each command will be one of the seven types listed above. So we essentially want to ask the user to tell us how many different commands they want to give us. Do they want
Daily practice. At AI with AK OK, but first ointment says insert C at position I, that means to assign a value in C and I both, then insert value of C in I, that is what it says, right?
want to say I want 3 prints and 2
Right
removes and 1 append, which will be 6 commands. Then n
thing.
will be 6. Iterate through each
Okay.
command. So I will need a for loop. Let's write that there. This is not really the best practice, but I just want to remember that I would need a for loop and perform the corresponding operation on your list. For example, if the user says n4, they will say 1 append, another append, 1 insert, and print. So they have 4 commands for me. Let's quickly look at the example that is given down below. Then I'm going to go back to coding. This user wants to do 12 commands. I'm going to make note of that. Number 1 is insert 0 and 5. So let's make an empty list. This is command number 1. My list. So insert. What do they want to insert? They want to insert number 5 at index 0. So index 0 and number 5. Then they want to do 2 more inserts. So I'm just going to copy twice. So their second insert is 1 and 10, and their third one is 0 and 6. What I want to do next is print. So let's print my list. You will see that I've got 6, 5, 10, and that's the first output here, 6, 5, 10. You know, this was command 2, and this was command 3, and this last one was command 4. So I'm not going to do all of that. I just
AI
want
with
to
AK.
Must check
At
the
first
variable.
set the text variables which contains the commands on Insta. Daily practice. So you just have to create a instager name C and I using if else there.
So you just have to create a Insta name C and text 12 to 13. What is this though? I mean, these are the things what we have to do. I mean, what did you like send that? I mean, you just send the process we have to do. I mean, the simple input and all those things. The simple input.
show you what type of output are we expecting. All right, So we will receive how many different types of commands the user wants to send us. Okay. Then let's make an empty list as we need it because we need a container to start putting stuff in it. Then once we have that empty container, we want to loop over the number of different commands. How do we do that? So let's call it iteration because iteration is not a keyword for Python. So for iteration in range of n, so I want to say for the number of times that the user said, continue doing this action. Now, what am I going to do? Well, every time that the user wants to send something, some information, I need to receive it. Let's say user input will be what the user sends through the input function, and then I want to split it. Why did I do this? Let me just copy this and paste it in my Jupyter notebook. Look at this. If I run this, the user says, I want to insert
AI with AK. At Morse code, copy that message above my code so the error won't appear.
Copy that message about my message. So we select it. Wow. That fast. That was fast. So where should I put this, by the way? Where should I put this? So nah, still there.
AI with AK. At daily practice, no, it says insert the C at position I in the list.
Now I made some. Hey, but where should I copy this? Control. Oh,
AI with AK. At Morse code above the code.
I did it, but then it was just showing me that error, I think. Because that control that okay. Let's copy. Control C, cut, and let me zoom a little bit.
AI with AK. At Morse code and replace the colons.
I have to replace all columns, yeah. It's a mess. Literally, we have to do that. I mean, right now, it will be took me like a hour or something. Sit back. No, all columns are
AI
like
with AK.
fixed state, like double
At
quoted,
Morse
single
code, LOL, I
quoted.
think you need to replace the colons of the entire code cause Insta changes the colons format.
Yup, that part I trying to tell you. Okay, let's copy this and let's say our chat GPT to like fix it. Yeah, I mean it will be changed a few things, but let's create another chat. Control V and just don't change. Okay, D or not, I know. Just fix, don't change it, just fix it. Looking like okay, here you can see the commas, then we will change. Here we go. We change it. AI with okay. Let's create this whole code and it will be. Here we go. Check it. Is this is your code though? Check it. If this is, then we will continue. Run. Here we go. The answers. Font, text, split and black text and remove spaces and integer 0. Array, why you are taking this? I mean, in the command 0. I mean, what is this meaning? And also, what is the meaning of this also? And the text is now I like done. What meaning of this? backslash n,
AI with
set
AK.
column,
Yeah, it's
machine.
correct.
Okay. Yeah, so many doubts.
1 and 5. And if I look at user inputs now, you will see that very nice.
Okay, so basically, uh, split is create a list in which will be the all
I
will be
typed one line,
separated.
but it cuts them into separate words or numbers by space, because there was one space here, there was another space here, so now it says, okay, there are 3 elements. That is great. I need that.
Okay, I get it now. Is one and in here it should be two. Now let's print. God bless me.
So I need to split the users.
Okay, it's already 12 p.m.
And
I
it
want
is
to end the
quite.
stream.
At Morse code, I don't think I will be able to explain everything on text. Do you have a Discord?
Yes, I have a Discord link in description.
Hello, hello.
Hello, yes, Verma. Welcome to the stream. Link in description, man. Go to the
Yash
section. I mentioned
Inheritance.
Discord. I mean inheritance. Inheritance. You will spam, but then
Yash Verma.
that doesn't.
Inheritance.
Okay, inheritance.
AI with AK. At Morse code, if you want, I can share my screen and talk and explain it to you there.
Nice. Let's go. This is what I'm. Hey, what is inheritance, man? Why was spamming in inheritance? Yes, I know the inheritance. Why in the child class inheritance the qualities of a parent class? It was that called inheritance.
Yash Verma. Inheritance.
Giving you 5 seconds to delete this thing. I will block it. Okay, here we go. My thing. Send me something.
Yash Verma.
Hey, this is you?
Inheritance.
No. Send me something. Oh, this was me, by the way. Moss is me. Moss guy is me, by the way.
Yash Verma. Inheritance.
I'm gonna say, let's start with the insert. I'm gonna say if
AI with AK. At Morse code, wait, let me join the voice channel.
Okay, join. Which one you will join? General one. There, okay, general one. Come to general. I'm here on general one. I'm on general one. I'm in general one. General one.
Yash Verma. Inheritance.
Man, I have a. But I'm not going to. So spam. Come on, just spam it. Bro, you're just increasing my reach, by the way. You're just doing nothing. You're just increasing my reach.
Yash Verma.
Inheritance. Nice. Inheritance is the key to success. I also.
Number 0.
AI with AK. The link shows it is expired.
Oh my god. Okay.
AI with AK. Of Discord. Yash Verma.
Okay.
Inheritance.
Okay, wait. What?
Yash Verma.
Let's go to the.
Inheritance.
Yes, man. Inheritance is a key. Correct.
Yash Verma.
Key.
Inheritance.
Server setting. Why to? How can I send the link? I forget.
Yash Verma.
Literally, I forget.
Inheritance.
This bot invite people. Yeah. Copy the link. I think. Copy. I have to log in with my another account, yeah, like, or should I you can see my list all of this.
Yash Verma. Inheritance. Yash Verma. Inheritance, 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 inheritance. Yash Verma. Inheritance, inheritance, inheritance. Morse code. https://discord.gg/oms.
Bro, I give the link. Bro, I give the link.
Why did I go with user input number 0? Because look at that. If I say user input
Yash
number
Verma.
0, you will see that that's the first one.
Inheritance.
I want to see if the user wants
Yash
to insert.
Verma.
So if this one
Inheritance,
equals
inheritance.
insert,
Man, I'm
then
going
what
to
I want
block
you to
this
do
channel, yeah. Fuck. What's the option of blocking this thing? I mean, block
Yash Verma.
Pokemon
Sorry.
timeout. I mean, have a good day, man.
is take my list and insert to it. Well, what am I inserting? If you remember,
Yash
we said that
Verma.
this is the index and this is the value.
Sorry,
So I want you to insert
Yash
user
Verma.
input index 1
Sorry,
because that's the index, which is this one,
AI
number
with
1.
AK.
And then what is the value
Yes, I'm
is
in
actually
general
user
1.
input index.
Okay, okay. Where are you? Okay, this is. I think I joined. I think I. Okay, oh yeah.
Hello,
Yes. I can hear you by the
is there
way.
my voice?
हाँ आ रहा है. Yeah.
ओके ओके 1 मिनट स्क्रीन शेयर कर
Okay, I didn't. I'm not doing screens.
दिख रहा है क्या स्क्रीन?
Loading. Yes. Now it's showing it.
हाँ यही था ना.
Yes, yes.
हाँ तो एक एक कमांड करते हैं. तो ये टेक्स्ट है ना, तो अपना इनपुट ये.
Okay.
तो अपने को क्या करना है कि इसको स्प्लिट करना है ईच लाइन. तो ये जो
Okay.
टेक्स्ट है इसका लिस्ट बना.
Okay.
तो पाइथन फंक्शन है टेक्स्ट. अब मैं फॉर एनी स्ट्रिंग टेक्स्ट डॉट स्प्लिट कर सकता हूँ किसी बेसिस पे. और जब ईच लाइन होता है ना, डिफरेंट ईच लाइन, तब एंड
हाँ.
में एक स्लैश होता है टू
Okay.
स्पेसिफाई कि टेक्स्ट नए लाइन.
Okay.
तभी मैं अगर ये स्प्लिट किया ना स्लैश एंड पे,
हाँ.
तभी ये लिस्ट आएगा. सो एज यू कैन सी फॉर ईच लाइन यू आर गेटिंग अ डिफरेंट आइटम इन योर लिस्ट.
Okay.
सो एंड जब स्प्लिट करते हो ना, तब ये फर्स्ट ये भी कंसीडर करता है. इधर भी एक एलिमेंट है टेक्स्ट
Okay.
जो स्टार्ट होता है. सो ये एक एलिमेंट ऐड करता है जिसमें कोई वैल्यू नहीं है.
Okay.
इसलिए हम लोग अब ये मैं एक वेरिएबल में स्टोर कर रहा हूँ. समझ, मैंने इसको कमांड में स्टोर किया. ओके
Um,
तो ये कमांड है ना, ये अभी रिमूव करते हैं अब. ये जो स्टार्टिंग में आ रहा है, एंडिंग में आ रहा है, जिसमें वैल्यू नहीं है.
yes.
तो अभी मैंने इधर डॉट रिमूव किया और जो इसका वैल्यू है
Okay.
ये रिमूव हो गया. तो ये कुछ प्रिंट नहीं करेगा क्योंकि इट्स नॉट प्रिंट, इट्स नॉट रिटर्निंग. अभी मैं कमांड रन करूँगा ना, ये रिमूव होगा जो फर्स्ट में आ रहा था. तो मैं स्ट्रीम भी देख रहा हूँ ना बाजू में, तो आई गेस फील है समझ नहीं आ रहा. ये रिमूव हो गया, देखा ना, अभी फर्स्ट में नहीं है.
Yes.
उसके बाद अपने क्या करते हैं, ये जो फर्स्ट नंबर पर है तेरा 12 है मतलब 12 कमांड तो तेरे को एक फॉर लूप चलाना है जो 12 कमांड इनपुट ले रहा है so this first command second command third command fourth command till 12
Okay.
तो ये किस वैल्यू में तेरा कितने कमांड है फर्स्ट
13.
कमांड
Okay. Okay.
और ये मुझे इन फॉर्मेट
Zero. Okay.
number of
12.
commands that I have to run.
12.
After that मुझे सिर्फ इसको iterate करना है और
Yes.
इसके बाद ना और एक ये आता है लिस्ट स्लाइसिंग करके एक टर्म है पाइथन तो अगर मुझे ये पूरा लिस्ट चाहिए मुझे ये फर्स्ट के लिए विदाउट फर्स्ट के लिए काफी सा वेरिएबल तो
Okay.
मैं उसको ऐसे लिख रहा हूँ कमांड लिस्ट कमांड और इधर से चाहिए फर्स्ट एलिमेंट तो 08 एलिमेंट नहीं चाहिए
Yes.
फर्स्ट एलिमेंट एंड एवरीथिंग ये
Okay.
कोलम स्पेसिफाई करें
Yes. 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 बाकी सब. Okay.
either you can also select the command space
Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's fine. Okay.
तो मुझे इस पे व्हाइट स्पेस में स्प्लिट करना है ये मैंने व्हाइट स्पेस में स्प्लिट कर दिया तो ये देखो अब सब कमांड सिर्फ फर्स्ट इंडेक्स पे और बाकी
Yes.
रिमेनिंग वैल्यूज बाकी
अलग अलग. Okay.
okay so as you can see command name is on the first index so
Yes.
you can directly specify the command name is equal to command
Zero.
and after that it's easy कि like अभी you can if else ladder ये ना कि command name is equal to अगर insert हुआ
Yes.
तो अभी क्या करना है कि insert हुआ तो 0 पोजीशन पे फाइल आ गया तो you just अभी इधर में random सा list 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 dot ये जो
Okay.
command list है इसके फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे फर्स्ट
First. Yes. 1, 2.
ऐसे मुझे बाकी सबके मैं लिस्ट लिख जो मैंने इधर में किया
Yes.
ओके ना
Yes.
इधर अलग किया command list
Okay. So are you taking like a single list or like a different list for different printouts?
no it's the single list you are just modifying each list with each command एक कमांड का
Oh.
लिस्ट अलग है ये तेरा कमांड का लिस्ट है और
Okay.
ये तेरा लिस्ट जिस पे तू ऑपरेशन
Main
कर रहा है each
Okay.
तो ये फर्स्ट कमांड आया इंसर्ट इस लिस्ट में इंसर्ट 08 पोजीशन पे 5 तो 0 पे 5 इंसर्ट हो गया
Okay.
ये चाहिए तो तू हर इस पे इधर प्रिंट भी कर सकता है डिबग करने के लिए लिस्ट को तो अभी मुझे समझ में आएगा कि इस इटरेशन में क्या चाहिए
remove X. X not in this.
एक काम करते हैं, ये पूरा एक इसमें डाल, एक सेल में
List में
x you are splitting the text. After that you are tutorials. तुमने वो चीज समझा ना, लाइक क्या करना है?
yes sir. Yeah.
ये देखो, so first is your insert 0 पे 5, 0 पे 5 आ गया, उसके बाद 1 पे 10, 1 पे 10 आ गया, yes, insert 6 set 0, 6 set 0, उसके बाद print data, print, okay, उसके बाद remove 6, this remove 6, append 9 and append 1, append 9, sort, sort new, set, print, print, ये डबल प्रिंट क्यों आ रहा है? क्योंकि फंक्शन भी प्रिंट कर रहा है और हम डिबग करने के लिए प्रिंट कर रहे
Yes.
हैं। रिवर्स दिस रिवर्स एंड वो पाइथन रिसीवर ऐसा सिर्फ कमांड्स मतलब फंक्शंस है ना, स्ट्रिंग्स के वगैरह, वो एक बार पार्ट हो गया ना कि हो जाए।
Okay. Thank you for this यार, समझाने के लिए.
Yes, बाद में चाहिए होगा तो आई कैन कम अगेन इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट वगैरह टुमारो।
Yes yes. Okay.
मैं स्ट्रीम अटेंड करता हूँ, लेट करता हूँ, मैं 11:30 को वर्क
हाँ, कोई बात ना. अच्छा चलो फिर मैं ये स्ट्रीम, मतलब कि मैं ये स्ट्रीम अभी एंड कर दूंगा ना, क्योंकि अभी 12 बज चुका है, मुझे 12 बजे एंड करना था. आज 18 मिनट कट कर दिया. ओके
मीट यू टुमारो।
ओके, बाय बाय, हैव अ गुड नाइट.
बाय बाय, यस गुड नाइट।
Okay, so guys, to understand the code, I will try after this. I mean, Happy Independent Day, yeah, all the guys, Happy Independent Day. If you guys from India or anyone else from also, Happy Independent Day, Happy Independent Day, because today is Independent Day of India. I mean, right? Okay, I'll start the. So, so this for the today's stream. I hope you guys like this stream. Like, comment, subscribe, all things.